Hello tomatoes, it's Christy, and this is Recipes Revisited, where I cook my way through my prized possession, my grandma's Betty Crocker 1950 picture cookbook. Today we're on the meat chapter and we're making something called emergency steak. Emergency steak is in the meat chapter, and here's what Betty has to say about meat. Meat has been the backbone of man's diet from the beginning of time. Here are some examples of meats you could make. This ham is clearly for Easter. You can see these beautiful hard-boiled dyed eggs. And this is, what? What is this? Duck? Looks like there's some olives in peeled carrot flowers, a lovely roast of some kind, and then a real steak. But today we're not making real steak, we're making emergency steak. The ingredients are simple: ground beef, minced onion, milk, salt and pepper, and Wheaties. This is the ground meat section, which are meat stretchers. An emergency steak is meant for a time when you can't afford steak, or maybe you just don't have steak. It's meant to be shaped like a T-bone and served family style. Mix all the ingredients together and then place the mixture on a lightly greased pan, pat it into the shape of a T-bone steak about 1 inch thick, and broil it. Now we're supposed to pat this into the shape of a T-bone steak. I have looked at a picture to remind myself what a T-bone steak looks like. Is that kind of the deal? What do you think, Mark?
No.
Okay, no. But it says you can use a carrot to form the bone, so maybe I'll do that and then we'll further shape it. Why a carrot? My producer Mark has peeled me some strips of carrot so that I can form a bone in the steak. I guess I'll just press it. Oh, I think this is worse. Here's my idea. I'm gonna kind of do 2 strips like that and then kind of press it back together. And then everyone will definitely think it's a T-bone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here is my emergency steak. Can't you tell that's a T-bone steak? And then we broil it. It says for medium, like 6 minutes. I think that's per side. Unclear. We'll see. All right, here is our Betty Crocker emergency steak, and now it's time to try it. That end is a little well done. It's a little rubbery. Tastes like meatloaf, and not at all like a T-bone steak. Thanks for joining us. Happy cooking.